Hi and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making fudgy brownies recipe. Chewy, chocolatey, and fudgy. Look at that, so delicious. Let's get started. In this recipe we will be using chocolate and a flavorless oil to melt and then set aside to cool. In a separate bowl, add some sugars together, mix to combine, and then using 3 room temperature eggs, whisk each egg about 30 seconds at a time because we want to pump some air into it. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, and again whisk this mixture for a couple minutes if you can. You could use an electric mixer if you like, but this pumps a little bit of air into the batter. Next, in a separate bowl are dry ingredients. Sifting is just that extra step that ensures a fluffy texture. So here's a little more chocolate, so cocoa powder and our melted chocolate, so double chocolate deliciousness. Add that cooled mixture to the egg mixture because we do not want to cook it. That's why we cooled it. Again, mix well to combine. Switching to the dry ingredients a little bit at a time. Use a spatula for this step. You do not want to overmix, just gently fold to combine. And then preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and 175 Celsius. In your 9x9 baking dish, grease the dish. Line the dish with parchment and grease it again. What's the point of making brownies if they stick, right? Look at that gorgeous, glossy, chocolatey, chewy batter. It's going to be delicious. Tap, 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 smooth to the edges, and top off with some chocolate chips, and tap again to release any air bubbles. Bake for 30 minutes, tapping halfway through to release more air bubbles if you wish. Cool completely and cut into squares. And there you have it. Fudgy, chewy deliciousness. I hope you enjoy. Let me know how your brownies come out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye for now.